Yeah. I'ma buy a mansion for my mama when I finally make it. Take on my.
Does this thing still work? Does this thing still work? What's this, Stush Gang? Welcome back to another day in the Stush Life. So today I'm running some errands, y'all. Like I've just been moving upon my return from the Dominican Republic. A lot of birthdays, a lot of birthday celebrations. So I need to get my life together, like all the way together, girl. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I have a few orders to ship, so I need to go to the post office. I need a fill. I'm just gonna run to the mall because I've seen some of my coworkers get their nails done and it looked pretty good. So I'm just gonna run to the mall to see if they can give me a filling. And I also need to run either Target, Aldi, one of the two, because I need some quick stuff to munch on in the house. There's food in my house, but girl, I just need to get some other stuff. So I might do that as well. And I don't know what else we're gonna be doing today, so you guys are gonna be accompanying me today, day in the life. So keep on watching. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below. On the road to 6K, we need you to help us get there, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and leave a big thumbs up right now just so you don't forget, because I'm happy forgetting. So make sure you thumbs this video up right now if you enjoy vlogs like this. It's a hot girl summer, but it's also a biker boy summer. It's really annoying. And if you have any questions or comments about anything that occurs in today's video, don't be afraid to leave it down below. I'm always around to respond back to you guys. And let's get a move on it because it's already 12:23. I kind of want to get to the mall and do my nails before like everyone starts coming outside. Even though it's a Tuesday, I just want to like be in and out. So let me get a move on it. I'll update you guys once we make our first stop. Petty, I ain't love her, had to step up her status.
They see the difference in your shine, making it harder for the next nigga to please you.
Put off in the Benz, feel like she asleep. Switch shots like a whole week. It's the vibe, I'm that guy. Because I want she and she and she. Alright, about to go drop these orders off right quick.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you?
Okay, so I just got to the mall. I'm about to head inside. I'm gonna see if they think I should take this set off and just do a new set. I don't know, because it can be filled, but I don't know. We'll just see what they say. I think I want to do something abstract again. Nothing like too super pastel and spring-like, but you know, something more summer appropriate. So let's see what they say. Okay, so it's safe to say that Kevin understood the assignment. These are my nails, real cute. I see them? Real cute. I like them. There you go. I like them. So I was gonna do my toes there, but I feel like I already changed it with my nails. My nails turned out good. I didn't know about doing my toes, so I'm going back to the same place that I went to prior to going to DR when I did that, recorded that maintenance vlog for you guys. And I'm gonna do my toes here. I'm gonna specify gel again because that's what I specified the first time, and they just gave me a regular pedicure, so I'm gonna specify gel again. So let's go inside and get our toes done. Okay, change of plans. So I just went in the nail salon and they told me that they're only doing appointments only. They weren't doing that when I came the last time, so I don't know if something happened at that location, someone got sick or whatever, and they changed just the policy. So they said that their next appointment is 2 hours from now. I'm not about to wait for 2 hours in this area. I'm not even near my house to, you know, just get my toes done. So if anything, I'll just do them myself because I can. It just won't be gel. That's what I was gonna do anyways, but I'm like, since I got my nails done, might as well just go and get my feet done. I guess I probably should have given the first location a chance, but I don't know. Sometimes I'd rather just be safe than sorry, girl. So it is what it is. I'll probably just do my own toes at home because I like how they do it here, but I'm not about to wait 2 hours. So I guess next time I'll just try to see if I can get an appointment prior to coming in, so I could just avoid that situation for next time. So I don't know where my next destination is going to be. It looks like it's about to pour, so I don't know if I'm still going to go to Five Below or Target. I gotta see, but I'll update you guys. Okay, update. I really gotta get something to eat. I haven't eaten this yet. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Ain't nothing changed. It's 3:25 right now, and I've only had tea this morning. I don't really have an appetite. I mentioned, well, I was telling my mom that I haven't really had an appetite since returning from the Dominican Republic. So I don't know what's going on since, but yeah, my appetite is just not there. I'll eat, but I don't really want to eat, if that makes sense. I don't really have an appetite. I don't really want to eat, but I'll eat. So right now I'm at Panera, and then I'm gonna go to Five Below. Okay, so I got the Chipotle chicken avocado melt. What do you guys usually get from Panera if you do eat at Panera? It is currently about to pour. I should bring my ass home, but I think I'm gonna be alright. Lightning too, girl. Ugh! And I got some orange juice because I feel like I need it. I never drink orange juice. That's one thing about me. So let me eat this sandwich real quick. I'm gonna enjoy this rain too because I'm in my car. And I love when it's raining. I low-key like when it's raining and I'm in my house, but it is what it is. So my sandwich looks like it's chicken, avocado, cheese, and I think some peppers. So let me eat. Okay, I'm about to run in Five Below. Y'all can see them right behind me. Hold up, we're a little blurry. About to run in Five Below, gonna see what's inside. I haven't been in here in months, but Five Below can have some little pieces that you didn't even know you needed. They have some really nice stuff sometimes. Okay guys, so Five Below didn't really have many things. I wanted that no days off hustle shirt, but they didn't have it. But I did buy this LED cube clip light. This is what it looks like. Well, I'll show you exactly what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I already set it up, put it on my phone. It's really for like your laptop or computer, but I bought it. Maybe I'll use it for maybe I'll give it to my mom, use it for myself. I don't know, I put it on my phone. It does aid in giving you some brightness, and there are 2 settings, I think 3 settings actually. There's a yellow light, a warm light, and a cool light. Bright white, warm white, and cool white. So yeah, 3 settings. Right now I think it's on the warm white, which is this one. But it's real cool. It was only $5, and it does come with a little charger because it does have a reusable battery. So that's pretty cool. I figure I could even use this like whenever I'm going out. If it's dark, I can use this to record. Because sometimes I am on Instagram and you know, there's no lighting. It's too dark in the spot. So yeah, I got this. My battery is dying though, so I'm gonna catch you guys when I get home. Okay, let me zoom out. As you guys can see, I'm back in the house, right? Close this up. A lot of seasonings in there. I'm currently making like a seafood boil, seafood bake type of thing. So I'll insert a clip showing you guys what everything looked like. Before it was just the shrimp and the lobster. I ended up adding calamari, zucchini, potatoes, and carrots because I don't have any broccoli. So let me show you what it looked like. This is before. One for me, one for my mom. I'm definitely gonna have leftovers. About to wrap it up and put it in the oven. And I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's done. Okay, food is ready. About to take the foil off. I left the foil on the entire time that it was cooking. Cooked it for maybe 25 minutes because the potatoes were pre-cooked. I boiled them just a little bit before just so they didn't take too long because potatoes could take very long in the oven. Seafood cooks pretty quickly, so I did that. So let me show you guys what it looked like. So this is number 1. It was hot, girl. Hot. Ooh. 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 Baby. Come on. Don't play with them. Don't play with them. Don't play with them. Yes. This is most likely going to be mine. Yum. Oh, yum. Oh, yum. Oh. I also made some more like butter sauce. So that's that. It's just the garlic butter that I had in the fridge. with some Old Bay, and I added these green onions and scallions in there, so I'm gonna have some extra butter for dipping. So sis, I'm about to go eat because your girl is ready to eat. The food is hot. Seafood is best had hot, not cold. So I'm about to go eat. This is gonna be the end of today's video. I expected to do a lot more things with you guys, but as you guys can hear, it's pouring, it's still raining, and it was lightning and thundering, so I'd rather not be on the road for too long when that's happening, so I just brought myself home. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, leave your girl a big thumbs up. Let me know how you guys are feeling the nails down below. Let me know if you like them. I love them. Kevin definitely understood the assignment. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Be on the lookout for more videos. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so that you're alerted whenever I upload next. Love you guys. Thank you guys again for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys. If you're interested, make sure you keep. So you guys are gonna be accompanying me. So you guys are gonna be accompanying me today.